All right, welcome everybody. We're going to jump straight into the second half of Module 2 today. And I'm going to get started right now so we can have plenty of time to work on Assignment 2 at the end of our class time today. So today we're going to dive into something called string methods. And when you hear the word method, I immediately want you to think of the word function, because a method is very similar to a function. The key difference between the two is that with a function, the context of the function is Python. It's the whole program. With a method, the context that we're calling that in is a string in this case. So we're using a string to do something. Now, an easier way to think about it might be to say a function in Python is something that Python can do. And in a string method, a string method is something that a string can do. So strings can do things in addition to just being what they are, which is a data type. Strings have certain abilities, and those abilities are called methods. But they're very similar to functions in how they work. So we'll get into those similarities as we go through this.